Okay, so I am cooking supper. I'm gonna cook some buffalo hamburger and some onions. I had nuked it a little earlier. I had put it in the microwave a little earlier. Yeah, nice red meat. That up a bit. There. Yeah, I like buffalo meat. It's pretty nice solid meat. So yeah, so I just got hungry for mashed potatoes. So I peeled some potatoes and now we're just gonna some potatoes going here. There. Now I'll cut these suckers up a little bit. And we went to our other rental, or we have a lot that we're trying to sell. We went there today to sell it. And the purchaser had a few more questions. So we weren't able to sell it today. Hopefully Monday, hoping for that. And then that'll be rid of. One chapter over. We used to have a mobile on there, but we sold that as renting a place. It was too far away, just too much salt. Oh well. We had too much trouble with renting it out, and being so far away, it's about over an hour and a half drive, so it just didn't pan out that easy for us. So I'm just gonna cut these pieces up a little bit. I think I cooked them a little too, look like they're half cooked, so they're harder on the corner of the package. It should work. So I'll add some pepper and salt. Oh, should turn that one on. Add a little bit of pepper and salt. That mixes nice. And some pepper. And mix that up. And we pickled some garlic. And I don't know if I'll let the strong boy do it. Get it? Good. Okay. Here you go. Oh, smells like garlic, that's for sure. This actually goes pretty nice with meat. Pickled garlic. That's a nice flavor. Yeah, we just eat it just whole cloves. It's got a maybe you gotta acquire a taste for it, but I don't know, we really like it. It's a bit of work having to peel all the garlic cloves, but I think it's worth it. Yeah, so I was getting the pond ready. Getting the pond ready to get the pump set up, cleaning the pond out. Still some leaves on it from last fall. All the ice is off, so that's nice. Hmm? Sure. Yeah. Yeah, Seth is just going to show you our pond.
Lashes.
Bring the cat out. Oh.
Hello. Belly.
Here we go with the peas. I figured that's a lot of peas, but I wanted to empty the bag. And you can always use leftover peas. Yeah, that should be good. So I'm going to get the potatoes cooking now.
Side?
My little salt here. Salt. And turn the lid. Lid for there, as long as I remember to turn the peas on in time. I'm feeling pretty good for the last couple days. I still have to be a little careful I don't overdo it. I notice when I'm really busy, then the next day if I'm really busy one day, then a lot of times the next day I'm quite worn out. Okay, so that out. Potatoes are done. Yeah, so on Wednesday we've been looking at purchasing a piece of land on Wednesday, and possibly maybe building something on it. And so we'll have to see. We're gonna back up. I mean, we're gonna, like I said, go look at it Wednesday. So we'll get that on video and we'll post that on YouTube as well. See what you think of it. And anyways, probably I think I'll make mushroom gravy for this meat yet. Mash the potatoes and then peas on the side. That should be pretty good. Well, you have yourself a good night and talk to you another time.